My overall review of these wall sconces is that I absolutely love them. From the time I got them and took them out of the box to the time I tested them out with the remote, I was happy with everything about it. The quality of the lights feel just amazing. It's nice heavy duty metal. The globes are really nice thick glass. They have little rubber rings on the glass so they don't have all the extra vibration, so you have less chance of damaging them. They come with gloves and everything to handle them with your install if you want to. The install itself is super easy. Just those couple little mounting brackets, screw them to your wall, and then just set the lights on and screw in your bulbs, your globes. Everything went really smooth and seamless with that. And then the light quality that it puts out is just amazing to me, especially compared to other sconces that I've had. I've had other ones from this brand particularly, and all of their stuff seems really good. Yeah, guys, super happy with the outcome of these. Lots of light. They just look really nice and just really happy about them.